Want to show everybody your baby video? Okay. Hi there. Did you eat your breakfast today? You did? Good girl. Good girl. Hey, did you take a nap? Did you take a nap? Are you cranky? Did you just wake up? Did you play with your sisters? You did? You guys get along, right? You do, yes, you do. Did you play with your feathers today? You did? Good girl. You want to show me how you do that? You want to show me how you play with your feathers? You're too tired right now? Maybe later. Maybe later you want to show me? You want to show me later?